Hi Geraint, thanks for joining us on FAWTV. There's a big match coming up on Friday against Denmark. Wales top of the group, looking forward to it?
Very much so, yes. Dominic and myself were out over there last week checking facilities. It's a lovely little stadium, the lads will enjoy it, good pitch, and as you say, it'll be tough opposition, so a great opportunity for us to see where we are properly in this group.
It's been a cracking start for the under-21s, top of the group, 2 wins, 2 3-1 wins, grabbed yourself a few goals as well. Is this group Wales can achieve in?
Yeah, I think we've got a really good squad this campaign, and we're quite young, so a lot of the boys will be there for a while, and we've got a couple of big games coming up now, Denmark next week, so hopefully if we can get a good result there, we'll be in a good position to go through.
I think every opponent is difficult at international level, and especially Bulgaria. Second half I thought they proved what a good side they were, and it's a good job that we played well in the first half, and not only played well but when we were on top took our goal chances. They've since gone away and had 2 more games and won both their games, so no, I don't think it's been easy games we've had. We've played well in patches, but we'll have to play well for the whole match, and if we do that then we can go and win in Denmark. Well, as you can imagine, being led by the national team, everybody's buzzing at the moment, all the way through 21s, 19s, 17s. Everyone wants to be a part of the Wales setup, and you know, whereas sometimes if somebody had a slight knock, they might think, well, do I need to go? And now people are turning up and we're having to say, look, you can't play, which is great, that the lads are desperate to get on camp. The attitude, you know, we've been away with the 21s twice and we've been complimented on their behaviour off the pitch, which is important as well. So everyone's buying into that professionalism on and off the pitch. And if we give performances on the pitch as we have done, then we'll get results.
Well, brilliant. Well, best of luck out in Denmark, and hopefully come back with 3 points and still top of the table.
Thanks very much, sir.